Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, actually it's been quite some time since I last upload a new video. Yeah, so sorry to keep you guys waiting. Yeah, actually I've been quite busy and also so I was like really don't have the time to film the video. And today I got a so-called a new bag, and I decided to take this opportunity to share with you guys. Especially I think this kind of unboxing from Hermes will, a lot of people will like it. Okay, and before I start, and today I'm wearing this Gambalista Valley t-shirt. This t-shirt which I bought I think 1 or 2 months ago. Yeah, but I didn't do the unboxing because as I mentioned, I was quite busy. And this collection is crossed with H&M. Yeah, and I'm also wearing this Karl Lagerfeld track pants. Yeah. Okay. Without further ado, we shall start with today unboxing. Can you guys guess what I got for today unboxing to share with you guys? Actually, if you all see the heading, you all will know. Yeah. Okay, so that's right. Today I going to unbox this new bag with you guys. Okay, actually this one is so-called is a gift to my friend. So I decided to share with you guys first before I give this gift over. Yeah. And okay, so you guys can see this orange box, this bright orange box, you guys will know. Okay, and this is the bag I got in together with this box, and also and this is the receipt. Yeah, but I shall not show you because there is some particular, but this is the official receipt from Hermes. Yeah. Okay, so this is the receipt holder. Yeah. Okay, so let me put this aside first and share with you. Okay, anyway, you guys can see there are two separate boxes here. The bigger one is the bag, and this box is the twilly. Yeah, so this one, okay, so you guys can see it's very nice. This 3D box is orange in color and round in shape. Yeah, but inside is empty. So just share with you guys on this box because the 3D is already on the back itself. Okay, so let's start with today unboxing. So you guys can see, this is really a true unboxing. Guys can see because I yet to unbox this. Yeah, so today this moment. Okay, so let's start right away. Okay, are you guys excited? Okay. Okay. So this is the ribbon from MS. You guys should have seen this. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. Let me remove the top of the box first. Okay, wow, I can smell the fresh smell of the bag. Yep. Okay, so let's start right away. Okay, this actually before I show you guys this bag. So anyway, this bag is to me is quite special. So when I went to the boutique, actually later maybe I share with you the story, but I show you this bag first to show why is it special. Okay, so this is how it come about. So this is the pillow. I think this is standard. So usually MS bag they will wrap it with this pillow. So called this is the pillow for to let the handle rest on it. Okay, so let me put this aside first. Okay, are you guys excited? Okay. Ta-da! Can you guys see? Yeah. So this is the dust bag. Okay, so this is the dust bag, brown dust bag that given on by Hermes. Every bag that you bought it is very good quality dust bag. Okay, so let me put this aside first. So you guys can see there's even the bag, plastic bag, it's not removed yet. Yeah, it's new. So, and this is on with this twilly. Okay, so I believe you guys should this app this is called the 31 Herbag. Yeah, Herbag. Yeah. So, and this is so called, this is the sole is in on the inside. There's two kind for MS Herbag. Usually there is some there's another kind that is sold outside, and this is sold inside. So you guys can see this is a bit different, and the reason why I got this is because actually when I visit the store, they did to show me 3 different color for this. I guess it should be this season. There is like a pink color on the brown color leather, and also another one that is green in color. It's so called like apple green and black. And another one, the last piece they showed this to me. Once I saw this, I think this is really very nice, because normally Herbag is only one color, and this is like checkered kind, and this is like the material is so much harder compared to the canvas. Yeah, because you know Herbag is made with leather and canvas. So this is how the bag come about. Okay, it's really very nice. I must say it's really very nice. Okay, so this is so, and with this twilly, and okay, I choose this one is because it's orange in color. It's orange, and also with the zebra print, which is black and white, which quite go well with this bag. So yes, so this is how it look like. And on the back, actually on her bag, there's another pocket behind, because it's for you guys to put things, because there is a zip here. So if you want to put any handphone or any thing that is easy to get hold of it, so you can use it on the back, and also for safety reason also. So there is one pocket on the back, and on the front, yeah, on the front is just this. So okay, so how is it? Okay, so let me show you guys the inside. Let me show you nearer first, then later I show you guys inside. So this is how the front look like, with the twilly here written Hermes Paris, and this is the so-called the buckle. Okay, and this is come with black leather, and you can see this is so much harder compared to the normal Herbag. Okay, so, and this is the strap with the leather, and on this part is where you put the lock. Okay, later I shall show you guys inside. So, and this is how the bag look like, and this is the zip. Okay, so this is the zip. Okay, and you can see this is really very special to me. Is this material is so much harder than normal canvas, and you can see it hold its shape very well. This is so called once I saw this piece, I immediately picked this piece. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys the inside. Okay, you guys know Herbag is just like Kelly, but it's like the other version. which come with canvas. So most people, they are able to get Kelly, they might consider getting Herbag. Yeah. Okay, let me show you how it open. Okay, you just have to pull one side and also the other side. Okay, so inside, okay, it comes with this protector. Okay, let me remove the protector. And there is actually this hook is in the center, yeah. So inside there is standard, there is the airbag. Okay, and one good thing is like this bag is considered a big it's only it's quite big and easy to reach, and it also comes with another pocket. So this one where you can store your item. So this one is almost like behind the same material. You can see, guys see? Yeah, it's the same material. Okay, so and the inside is this is how it look like. It's just a very big pocket plus a small so-called like pouch. But this pouch you can't remove. Yeah, it's stick together with it. Yeah. Oops. Okay. So inside there is this lock. Yeah, this lock, and this is how the key, because this is silver hardware, so the key is also the key is here. You guys can see this one is the key, and this is the lock. So normally people will just hang it around here for some display purposes. Yeah. So yeah, usually it should be this way. Okay, so let me put this down. Okay, and let me show you the back mirror. Okay, so usually people will sometimes because this bag is quite difficult to close, so usually people will sometimes just close it in this way. They will just close it in this way. Yeah, so normally sometimes they will just close it this way because it's considered quite easy. So they will just, unless you are in a country that is not safe, so normally you don't even need to close. Yeah, because it's quite difficult to take things out and in naturally. Yeah, so let me show you guys nearer. Okay, so this is the key and the lock. This is how it look like, the key and the lock. Okay, and inside the bag is, as I mentioned, is just a big pocket with another pouch which is come together with it and you can't remove it. Okay, so and the back is another pocket. Yeah, so and normally you can just sling cross body or you can just sling it. Yeah, okay, so hey, hope you guys enjoy my today's special unboxing video with you guys. Remember to like my video and also to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so sorry about it that I've been a while I didn't post a new video. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, and remember to share with your friends who you think they want to see this special piece on YouTube. Okay, so goodbye, see you guys again, have a nice day, thank you.